Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's DJ Show 1 coming at you here. What I have here is a busted EV speaker. This is EVM15B, alright? I bought the speaker used. As you can see, it is damaged. It's busted right here, all ripped. The cone is smashed in. I'm going to show you how to get the cone up, alright? I haven't done this in a while, so let's see if it works. Alright, so if you have a smashed cone like this, I'm going to show you a nice easy way to get it up nice and smooth again. Alright, what I'm going to do is use a wire hanger, right? Kind of bend it into an L shape to where you can kind of cover the whole surface area of the cone. So what I'll do is I will make a hole into the cone just like that and stick my hanger all the way in, and now what I do is I pull up. Don't worry about the hole that you made. What I do is I pull up, pull back if you have to, and just start to pry it up slowly. Slowly try to pry it up, but if you stick it in too far, you're gonna get areas that you don't want to do yet. So what you have to do is go around a little bit at a time and just pry up. Okay, pull it back, pry it up, pull it back, pry it up, pull it back, pry it up. And as you can see, it's beginning to take shape. Alright, I know it's coming up a little bit, but still don't want to take it off all the way. But this is just in case yours is intact, better condition than this one. You can still do it. Okay. And pry it up. Almost there. Okay. The speaker's taking some beating here, but no worries. We'll have it looking pretty good in no time. Alright, there you go. The cone is up. So all I got to do is fix all this, re-glue it. Alright. Not 100%, but pretty good enough considering that it's already popping out of its case here. I've done this with better speakers that just the cone is smashed in. This one, the glue and everything else is worn out. If you have a smaller speaker, you can also use a needle or paper clip. Paper clip works pretty good as well for smaller speakers. Alright, there you go, your cone is up. So I'm going to repair all this, I'm going to glue it up, clean it up nice and neat. And I'll probably make another video where I'm going to test it out, so that way you can see if everything worked as it should. Alright, a little Elmer's glue and you should be good. Alright, thanks for watching. DJ Show 1 King Legend. Alright, please subscribe. Thank you. Hey YouTube. Alright, this is part 2 after cleaning it up and so forth. Getting the cap back on. Remember, this was off. Now it's back on there firmly. Everything is all cleaned up. I'll give you a little view around. Getting nice and clean now. Alright, not looking like that trash that I got a day ago. So this is actually day 2, because I had to let it dry and so forth. Let me let you see what it looks like. Alright, so as you can remember the picture before, or the video, the cap was all smashed in. Now it's all firm, cleaned up. Alright, looking good. Crack is all glued together, mended. Alright, that's not going anywhere. So this 15-inch won't be playing subs, you know, or any kind of hard bass, so it will be used for mid-range, so shouldn't be a problem. Alright, I won't have to worry about this coming back apart. Plus the speaker only moves up and down anyway. It's not going crazy on the sides, so should be all good. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I might do another video. I'm going to put this in a box and test it out with these new amplifiers I just got. I might do a vid on these also, or I might add it on to this video unboxing these Behringers. What I have here is the Pro Ep4000, and I have the Pro Ep2000. Alright, so I'll be doing an unboxing of these, just give you a walk around, let you see what the amp looks like. Alright, then my next video, I'll have them playing, testing out that 15-inch woofer. Alright, I think I'll do that. So I'm going to go ahead and open these two, let you see what both amps look like, you know, front and back and so forth. I just got to say, they are heavy. Not as my iNuke 6000. I'm not sure if you watched that vid, but that amp is like baby. Baby can pick that amp up. I mean, this right here, yeah, these are a beast. Alright. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna let you see what these look like. I'll be right back. Alright, this one is the Ep2000. This is how they lay it out. Alright. There you go. Alright, let me take this out. Alright, so with the Ep2000 you get your power cord and you get your manual. And I'll give you a little walk around here. Okay. Alright. 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 So this was a resealed amplifier. This one is not brand new, but it's a reseal. Okay. Now the 4000 is brand new, so it comes with the extra box inside of the box. Let me take that out, let you see. Alright, so this is inside the Ep4000. Get your manual right on top with your Behringer sticker. Alright. Set that over here. Alright, there we go. Right, let me haul this bad boy out. It's about 45 pounds here. Okay, so here you go. This is the 4000 out the box, brand new Ep4000. Alright, that's what you get, the manual, sticker, and your power cord. Alright, I'm going to show you the back of it. Alright, here we go. This is the back of it. Very similar to the QSC RMX series. Almost identical to the way they have this set up. Here's your fan, pretty big. You have your speak-on outputs. You also have binding post. You have your breaker. Right. So there you go. And your power. Alright. So So they do put a covering on your binding post. Take this thing off. Okay, it's screwed in. Right, there go the screws right there. So it's optional to use that. Guess they prefer you using the speed guns. But I've heard that for some reason you get more output when you use the binding post. Not sure, but I will prove that theory. Alright, so this is the Ep4000. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like or dislike, but please subscribe. Alright, and share. I'm trying to grow my channel a little bit, so I'll be doing a whole lot more reviews and so forth. As long as I'm getting the views, I will do reviews. Alright, so you view, I review. Alright, also have one more item that I'm gonna do a review on. This is Notepad 8FX. Alright, it's an 8-channel compact mixer with effects and USB. Alright, so this is made by Soundcraft, Harman, and Harman makes Crown, JBL, so forth, so you know this thing has got to be good. Alright, I did get rid of my Mackie. It was a little big. Didn't really use most of the channels, so I was just like, you know what, let me downsize and get something a little bit smaller that I can kind of sit in my console versus having an extra table for the Mackie. Alright, because that was a 12 channel. Pretty big. Alright, so I will be doing an unboxing vid of this also, but not today. Alright, gotta go play with these Behringers for a sec. Alright, like I said, thanks for watching. Please share, please subscribe. Alright, thank you. Alright, so here we go. Got the speaker loaded inside of a box. I just put it in this box temporarily. Alright, just to let you see that you can't keep an EV down, alright? No matter how bad it looks, it will repair and it's good to go. Alright, as long as that coil is not burnt out, damaged, 8 times out of 10 you don't have to recone. Like I said, I'm not using this as a subwoofer. This will be as a mid-range, kind of like a low-mid type frequency, so no punchy bass tones whatsoever will be going through that speaker. I just have that horn there right now. It's not the right size for this. I'll be building new boxes pretty soon. Took all the original stuff out that I had in here. Alright, actually these are not my black and white boxes. I have those outside. Alright, here's the amp. Alright, here's where the volumes are set at. Alright, so let's see. Did it work? We put on the song here. Actually, I'll do a rhythm, right? Non-YouTube copyright rhythm. Alright. Let's just do the 15 alone. There we go. Alright, got it about halfway. No clip. Alright. Alright, just turn it up a little bit. See? Y'all already know how my videos are. These are real life videos, no editing, no Jimmy, what do you call it? Jimmy got it perfect videos. Just straightforward. Alright. Sounds good to me. Little clip. Let me go ahead and put it with the horn so you can see how it will sound. Alright, this one is for the horn. There we go, right there. This is a loud horn here. This thing is huge. How big this thing is. Go ahead and put a little bit of bass in there. Alright. Playing a little bit of bass right now just to test it out. But like I said, it won't be playing that. Just cables intact. Little clip lights. This thing is playing pretty loud right now. Alright. Alright, so there you go. Alright. Thanks for watching. Like I said, please subscribe. Alright, like, share. Alright. Alright, there you go. Thanks for watching.